This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how US banknotes are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This is not an ordinary warehouse. Every element here is tied to national security. Rolls of cotton linen paper, specially formulated inks, and the security threads that give every US banknote its identity. Under bright industrial lights, workers in protective uniforms carefully inspect each material. Weight, texture, purity, nothing is left to chance. As the steady hum of conveyor belts fills the air, these raw materials move toward their destination, where more than just paper is created. Trust is engineered. TSES, where the story of every dollar begins. At the smallest scale, perfection is tested. Cotton linen fibers examined up close, measured, cut, and verified. Each strand engineered for strength and longevity. Nearby, color-shifting inks are carefully prepared, flowing into stainless steel containers with precision. Their formulas exact, their margins unforgiving. Every soft movement of paper, every controlled pour of ink, every mechanical click marks a step where error is not an option, because here, even the details unseen by the eye are built to protect value, authenticity, and trust. From above, precision moves in perfect order. Rows of preparation machines work in harmony, transforming raw material into advanced security paper. Embedded with sealed with invisible watermarks. Steam rises as systems breathe, light cutting through the air in brief lens flares, revealing a process few ever witness. The steady rhythm of machinery, the controlled flow of air, all synchronized to one purpose: to make counterfeiting impossible. Here, color is not chosen by chance. It is engineered. Massive automated systems blend proprietary greens, deep blacks, and complex color-shifting inks. With absolute precision, every formula is carefully balanced for durability that lasts decades and for optical behavior that cannot be replicated. Temperature, viscosity, and timing are controlled down to the smallest margin, ensuring each batch performs exactly as intended. Behind the machines, control defines perfection. Inside this secure control room, technicians monitor every variable in real time. Ink viscosity, color calibration, chemical balance. Each digital panel tells a story in data, where even the smallest deviation is instantly detected. Soft button clicks and electronic pulses signal constant adjustment, constant vigilance. Once perfected, the inks never travel by chance. Sealed pipelines carry each formula forward, protected, controlled, and untouched by human hands. Inside these channels, prepared inks flow with steady purpose, moving directly toward high-precision printing presses. The quiet resonance of liquid in motion, the metallic echoes of steel, signal a transfer where security is never broken. From this point on, every drop of ink is guided by design. This is where currency gains its identity. Intaglio presses engrave with immense force, pressing ink deep into the paper, creating raised textures you can feel. Intricate portraits emerge, fine-line patterns interlock, microtext forms at a scale nearly invisible to the eye. Each compression of the press locks detail, depth, and security into every sheet. The heavy rhythm of machinery, the sharp sound of engraving. Automation and human skill work side by side. Robotic arms guide massive sheets with flawless timing, while experienced workers oversee every movement. Through successive printing stages, from detailed background layers to tactile raised ink applications, each sheet gains another level of security. Every batch is refined, assured, and tested for quality. The soft beeps of machines and the steady industrial hum underscore a process where precision is constant and perfection is expected. In slow motion, the result finally appears. Freshly printed banknotes emerge from the press. Ink still gleaming, textures crisp to the touch. Fine details catch the light. Raised lines, shifting colors, security features designed to be seen and felt. The rhythm of the press fades into the background as each note reveals its character, perfectly formed, precisely controlled. This is not just printing. This is the moment. Value takes shape. Speed meets absolute control. High-speed conveyor lines move with relentless precision, carrying printed sheets toward their final form. In perfect rhythm, cutting systems separate each sheet into individual banknotes. Clean edges, exact dimensions, pressurized air hisses. As stacks align flawlessly, each note placed with mechanical accuracy, every click marks completion. Every movement confirms consistency. At this stage, before leaving the line, nothing goes unchecked. Automated inspection systems scan every single bank, searching for flaws, verifying alignment, confirming security, accuracy. High-speed sensors read what the human eye cannot, measuring details down to microscopic tolerances. With each synchronized movement and scanner beep, notes are approved or instantly rejected. Only those that meet exact standards move forward. Because in this process, perfection is not optional. In the final stage, security takes center stage. Inside the packaging zone, robotic systems and skilled workers work in unison, bundling approved banknotes into sealed currency packs under bright, white lighting. Every bundle is counted, wrapped, and verified, ready for controlled distribution. The modern industrial rhythm underscores the moment, as precision gives way to protection. From raw materials to sealed packs, every step has served one purpose: to deliver currency the world can trust. Even at the final checkpoint, attention never fades. Workers in high-security uniforms inspect bundled banknotes under LED magnification stations, examining details too small to overlook. Every edge, every mark, every feature is reviewed with disciplined focus. Soft inspection beeps and a controlled ambient hum signal approval at each station. Every product is checked before leaving the facility, because trust is built one inspection at a time. With inspection complete, the final transfer begins. Forklifts move with deliberate precision, carrying sealed currency pallets. Across the guarded loading bay, each load is tracked, documented, and secured. Before entering armored transport vehicles, the low rumble of reinforced trucks signals readiness for departure. From this point forward, every movement is protected, ensuring that value reaches its destination safely and without compromise. As day turns to night, the process comes full circle. From above, the entire facility stands illuminated, floodlights washing over steel and glass, evening light reflecting off metal rooftops. Inside these walls, precision never sleeps and security never rests. What began as raw materials has become a symbol of stability, confidence, and trust. This is more than a factory. It is a system built on discipline, technology, and unwavering control.
And that's how US banknotes are made, from start to finish.